it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back with the Legacy Builder Program. Go to my link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info, if you want to see what else I've got going on, what other projects I'm working on. All right, guys. Now, let's talk about this. So, how would you like to get step-by-step training on how to sell digital products and earn money online in 2025? Does that sound good to you guys? Well, great. I've got an opportunity I want to show you. I have been promoting since March of 2024 when it launched. All right. So what do we have here? Let's talk about it. All right. So let's run down some things here. How to sell digital products and earn money online in 2025. So this program, the Legacy Builder Program, has a free done for you marketing system. It's included. No monthly fees, right? Let's go over here. No monthly fees. All right, guys. No monthly fees. Hang on. It's 100% profit. Okay, there is no middleman. You're going to earn instant commissions. You're going to earn $100, $300, $600, or $900 commissions. Okay, this is not one of those programs where your training is just sitting in a dashboard, right? Now you log into your back office and everything is just sitting there, some old outdated information. This is an actual real program. All right, there's no middleman, so you're going to earn instantly and directly because this is a member-to-member program. You're going to earn instantly and directly from the person that signs up from your website. All right. Guess what else you're going to get? Daily mentoring and coaching videos. Every day, I get an email from Digital Growth Community where there is a daily video for me to go watch and give me encouragement, inspiration, marketing ideas. It's like coaching, basically, right? Every day. That's a part of the program you get. Doesn't matter which program you purchase, whether it's the 100 or the 900. We all get that. Same training as far as that's concerned, the daily videos. We get weekly training via Zooms and interactive training every week. And guess what? They're recorded. Every Zoom is recorded. So if you miss it, you can go back into the community and you can watch the replay. Okay, we get webinar presentations where the company will do all the selling, telling, sifting, and sorting for us, explaining it to an audience, answer their questions, and then send them back to you for them to sign up. And these webinar presentations you can share with others, guys, where it will do all the explaining. You shouldn't be trying to explain this program. All right. And the webinars are recorded, so guess what? Free marketing where you can upload those recorded webinars onto your YouTube channel. That's free marketing, guys. Okay? I can't tell you how many sales and signups I've gotten from the free webinar, sharing it, whether I'm sending it in an email to my audience, my subscribers, or them just finding it out on social media. And they watch the presentation because it just explained everything. And then all they got to do is hit the button, pay, and I get paid instantly. Same, that will work for you as well, right? That's free. All this is a part of the program. We also have live technical training twice a week to assist you with any tech issues. So you don't have to worry about being technical to say, oh, I'm not technical. No worries, okay? We have a team that's going to be here to help you with that as well. And again, that's recorded as well. Even though it's live, if you can't get on those technical Zooms, they record them and you can go back and check them out. All right. And of course, you're going to get access to a community where you can get support. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. All right. Now, let's clarify something else I heard out here in the space, right? Someone mentioned to whoever, right, that if you don't own the product, right, let's explain it. There's 4 programs, right? If you don't own that product, of course you can't earn commissions on it. Okay, that's pretty much how this goes with affiliate marketing. If you don't own it, you can't make money on it. All right, and your page that you're going to promote is only going to show the program you purchased, right? So if you only purchased a $100 program, it's not going to show the 300, 600, and 900 on your page. Okay, it's just not. So you want to try to get, position yourself as high as you can as far as which product you can promote. Now, what I want to clarify is someone was saying that Michelle, the owner, is getting the commissions. That's not true, guys. On your page, if it only shows the 100 and someone goes there and they don't see the 3, 6, or 9, they just don't see it. It will go to your sponsor. It will flip over there, right? So they can get paid on it. Has nothing to do with Michelle. Okay, so that is not true. Okay, so get that out of your head. Whoever's saying whatever, not the case. All right, so just position yourself. But if you don't own that product, you can't earn commissions on it. Bottom line. All right, now let me show you. When you come here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, you click this red post here, right? It says program the 900 daily pay blueprint. It's going to take you to my third-party system that I'm using. I'm actually promoting them both because some people may just want the free marketing system. Then some may want this particular marketing system that I'm using that, yes, you have to pay for, right? But it's not required. You can get the free. But I want to show you the page for the third party. This is not included with the Legacy Builder program. This is something you would have to buy outside. That's why I have a whole separate funnel for it, right? So when you click here, this is the page I'm using right now. Let me show you. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Hold up. It's this one right here. This is the page that I have. I switch them out because there's so many pages that I love. So you're going to get this one, right? So when you come here, you click this little red picture post, you're going to get this one. Proven 6-figure business blueprint delivers results in 2-hour workday. Earn up to 900 in daily pay. Access the simple step-by-step plan thousands are using to earn daily from the comfort of their homes or anywhere in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device, right? So that's a page I'm using, right? Then here's the one that comes with the program. It is free, a part of system.io. Okay, this is one of the pages, and of course I've edited it a little bit, but there's different pages that come with this, and it's a free system. So if you want the free system, I'm put the link in the description. That's www.thecopypastemethod.com. But I'll state that in the description. This is the free system that comes with the program. Okay? Thecopypastemethod.com. And you'll get, there's different pages like this. But the page that I'm using for the third party, where you have to pay for this one, is here. But there's tons of pages. And I just like it because it's something different. Everybody, people haven't seen these pages. Okay? So, it's optional. Optional, optional, optional. So, let's get over here because I want to show this video. We've got some testimonials on this page. Let me back it up a little bit just so y'all can see. Hang on. All right, just a snippet here.
Grand.
I'm about on the verge of hitting $200,000 in less than 13 months.
In my first month alone, I made $29,000.
I joined this business on January the 15th. It is May the 1st. I'm at $87,000. There's just no other business out there that even...
You see this? We got all these testimonies, guys. Check it out.
It's a life-changing business if you choose it to be.
We have pages and pages of wins coming into the community.
All right, so that's some of the testimonies. You can check it out, though. If you come over here again and you go here to coffeeandcoins.info, click this red image here, this picture, and you'll get my capture page, which is here. Put in your info, and then you'll see this, this system. All right, so let's go over one of these pages. This is another page that they have. They have numerous pages in the Simple Digital Success Marketing System. All right, so check it out. They've updated this. I love it. It's new. They had a Santa Claus here for the holidays, so now they've switched it all up. So, daily pay with the #1 interactive digital marketing program of 2025, 100% commissions, step-by-step blueprint, 2-hour workday. Get this video right here, right? It's going to do all the selling and telling, this whole website, this page. The Simple Digital Business is easy as 1, 2, 3. See, they've updated. They've got 2025. Happy New Year. Get started. Purchase one of the digital programs that best fit your goals, guys. Get in where you fit in. Instant access. As soon as you make your payment, you get instant access. We don't have to send you an email and do all those things. It's instant. And you're going to get step-by-step digital training and access to our community. Step 2, you're going to get your automated system. Check this out. You've got options. You can launch your business with the 100% free system, which is what I showed you over here, right? Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Link in the description if you want the free system. Okay. And you're going to earn 100% free sales funnel is included with your product. Doesn't matter which one of the 4 you select. Or you can plug into this one that you're looking at right here, the SDS marketing system you're experiencing now. Explode your results with creating additional passive income. And with this one, because it's a paid marketing system, you can earn passive residual income for everybody you refer to this system. Number 3, you can start learning and earning, okay, while you learn the business, okay? That is awesome instant pay. A simple but powerful digital franchise where ordinary people are achieving extraordinary success. That video that I showed you, tons, we've got thousands of those testimonies within the community. Here's some on this page as well. Check it out. Look, they've listed some here that you can just see. Okay, so we got tons of this stuff. Okay, so the proof is in the pudding. This program is not on trial. It's been around since March of last year. And we've gotten results with it. So it works if you work it. Okay, we can't guarantee what you're going to make, but the system, it will work if you work it. Okay, if you apply yourself. So the Legacy Builder program, this online business includes everything you need to create a successful online business. All right. You can receive invitation to join a one-of-a-kind community. I think they've got over, 40-something thousand folks in here now. Let's see. Let me check. Let me go here and see what we got going on. It is, let's see how many folks we got in here. 48,000 members now. Okay, in the community. This is a active, thriving community. It's not just one of those stagnant communities, and you can get help if you need it. And it's global, so people all over the world, from all over the world is in the program. So it doesn't matter when you come into the community, you have a question, somebody's going to reach out. Okay, 2025. Believe it or not, there's a new kind of automated system. All right, and again, this system is a third party, but I really like the potential of what we've got here. 2-hour workday. Yes, you read it right. Launch your business, follow the proven blueprint, work 2 hours a day, and you're done. You're tired of the 9-to-5 grind. Take back your time. All right. So all this is on this page, guys. And here is the testimonies. And these are real. No actors here. All real people. Everyday average people. I love Jeffrey's testimony as well. But these are great testimonies and they're real. So all this is here. Check this out, 2025 goals. They have all this on this page. I mean, when I first saw it, I was like, gotta have it. There's only one remaining question. Do you want an automated legacy wealth producing machine for one-time payment? That's the other thing. The program itself, the Legacy Builder program, is no monthly fees with that. Okay? At all. One-time payment. $100, $300, $600. Okay? You're going to pay $29 for your website. That's it. Okay? That is it. Done for you. All right? So I'm loving this marketing system that we've got here. And it lists all the bonuses. Okay? All the bonuses, which are priceless. And you just have to decide where you want to get started. And yes, you can upgrade if you decide you want to do that at a later time. So get in where you fit in and upgrade whenever. Okay? So we've got the 900 where you're all in. You get all 4 programs. Or you got the Digital Mastery, that's 600. The Daily Pay Blueprint, 300. Or the Launch Pad for 100. Okay? Whichever one you decide, you just add 29 onto it. And that's it. You're ready to rock and roll. Click one of these buttons. Make your payment. Debit card, credit card. Instant access. Okay? So, again, here's the page with everything here. Okay? Really, really like it to have your info here. SDS, you are the inviter. So all you got to do is share your capture page. So either you're going to do the third-party paid system. This is one of the pages. They have tons of them. Or you can go free. Either way. Okay? But I'm going to put the link for both in the description and you decide. But definitely, go check this one out. It is, in my opinion, the #1 marketing program for 2025 and beyond. So go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Click here and go ahead and opt in right here. All right, and check it out for yourself. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. The notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.